Hi, I'm Harvey. Welcome to attend the Moodle training. I'll be your course technician for this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add text and add a link using text editor. Now, we are here in the text editor. How to add text? We have different ways to add text. First, type manually using text editor. Or you can also copy to a Word file or any Word document. Just simply copy and paste. For example, I have here a text Word file. Highlight the text, right click, copy, then go back to the page. So, just paste on it. Paste. Now we can see here the copy paste. So, that's it for on how to add text using text editor. Now, how to add a link. For example, highlight this text, click this icon link. After you click, the create link appears, this one. Then enter a URL or domain name. I have here example, go to address bar and highlight and copy. Here, highlight, copy. Then go back to the page, paste the URL on here. Then click create link. Now the text color is changed. The link we create, it will work when you click the save changes. Now click save changes. Now we are here in the course page. Let's try the link we create. Click a text editor. Now you can see it works. So this is the link we create. So it works. So that's it for this video tutorial. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. I enjoyed sharing these tips with you. Leave us a feedback and please subscribe to this channel. And also check out our other video tutorial as well. Enjoy learning. See you in the next video tutorials. Thank you for watching.